Hello and welcome to this presentation. My name is Lee Snyder, the product manager for the steel segment at Tekla Inc. And what we'll be discussing today is this Truss Cambering tool, which is an extension available for download on the extranet. And basically what this tool allows me to do is to create a pre-cambered truss from an existing truss within the model. So this is my final or deflected truss here. And then just for comparison purposes for this video, just to show you what the tool is doing, I went ahead and modeled in this truss as it was actually cambered. So this tool allows you to create the camber diagram on your drawing, plus get the correct lengths from the camber without having to create two separate models. So here if I come in and just load in some dimensional settings here for my truss, I can define my my top and bottom camber points, plus I can also define any tolerances. And before that, just show you what the tool is doing. If I come in and take a look at the lengths here, you can see that these are different values. So if they were to fabricate this, it would be inaccurate. So that's what this tool does, is it adjusts the lengths of these members based on the camber to give you the fabrication information you need, plus also the site information from one model. So I'll just activate this tool, come in here and select the top portion here, and then we'll just come in and identify where that camber point is. Then I'll select these bottom pieces here that make up the bottom boom, identify the camber point at 2 inches, and then here I'll just come in and window select all these lacings, and then based upon that information it goes in and calculates the length of those members. So now you can see I'm getting the same length here, so that the fabrication data will be accurate in your reports and in your bills of materials. So this is adjusting the shortened value here within Tekla to give me a different length. So of course that's going to affect the numbering on the drawing. I've just created a simple basic drawing here so that you can see what this tool is doing, and then I can come in and activate this Truss Cambering Diagram tool, and then here I can just select the view that I want, and then I can just define, just by picking 2 points, how big I want this diagram to be. So I'll just make it basically the same size as this view, and then I can tile those if I want. But then if I just slide this down, you can see this camber diagram that's been produced here with all of the different camber points, the length values that have been adjusted. And then if you double click on this, of course you can come in and you can adjust any of these options here as you would need to get the output that you would want. So a real nice tool that goes through and does a lot of information, but allows you just to come in and get both outputs that are needed just from one truss within the model. So we'd invite you to go and download this from the extranet, play around with it, send us any feedback that you may have, and we hope you enjoy this new steel development.